Your turn.
You show my mouth to the whistle.
What?
You show my mouth to the whistle.
Show your muscle?
No, you show my mouth to the muscles.
Show your mouth with the muscles?
No, show my mouth to whistle.
Show your mouth how to whistle?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You go like this. You make a kiss. And then you blow.
You help me to whistle my mouth.
You help you to whistle with your mouth?
Yeah.
Okay. Make a lips like this. You did it.
You help me to whistle my mouth.
Yeah, you got to keep practicing. No passies, though. Maybe that's your problem. You're not supposed to have a passy anymore because you're 2.5. Take your passy out. Would you rather learn how to whistle or suck on a passy? Which one? Which one, Pate? You want to whistle or suck on your passy?